Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on the sides of the box. So I've got my curved section here clamped down, I'll show you that in a moment, and I've got the longer length that's going to make both the other two sides. So we'll be looking at cutting those all to the right length, getting the ends ready to put some joints on. And I'll also look at how I'm going to do the top and the bottom of the box, hopefully. I started by drawing out a half circle based on the internal radius of the curved section. I've got my center point here. I've put a point to the side which is the width of the two other side members, and I'm hanging over here what's going to be another width, and then I've marked across on this side again the center line and the outside line, which is where the third side's going to go. And with the curve nicely clamped down to the baseboard here, I can then use a square, transfer these lines up, ready for cutting. Well, this one line, the internal line, is just a reference for a gauge line for the joint, and the outside is the total outside of the joint. I've got a line on the back as well, so that will give me the squared end. And I do the same on this end as well. Now the same setup gives me an idea of how much material I need for the base. And I was just working with the pieces that I cut to try and make the base and the top with, just laying those on the inside to see how much material I had and whether it's going to be possible. And you'll soon see that we're actually getting a little too tight, and quite possibly there's not going to be enough. I'm certainly not confident that there's enough material to do both the top and the bottom. So what I think I'm going to do is make the bottom from a piece of MDF. That's lovely and stable as well, so that would be great to have in there. And then I'm comfortable that I've got loads of material for the top, and I can cut it to best effect to get a nice pattern on the top. So here we've got the two straight sides cut to length. The curved side, I've just trimmed the ends nice and square. That'll all go together. I'm going to do dovetails. I'm going to put tails on this board going into the curve, and then tails that end and that end on this board, which will go into both of these. Don't forget to share my videos, it's the only way other people will find out about them. And if you want to make sure and see the next episode, then do ensure you're subscribed and you've ticked the notification icon. Cheerio.